Hello and welcome to Flush. My name is Heeva and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 8-pack open style shipping box. Specifically today we're going to walk through it with the Ball Mini Mason. So with that, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing we'll do is separate our components. We have the box and the insert, and to start let's just focus on the box. So we'll put these to the side here. The first thing I like to do with the box is to find each crease and give them a little bit of a pre-fold. I'll show you what that looks like here. Now doing this really helps give you a visual of how the box wants to go together, and it also just prevents the possibility of the box fighting you when you're assembling it. So definitely something I recommend doing on your first few boxes, and then once you get in the groove you don't really have to do that anymore. So once we've got it pre-folded, we'll go ahead and start on one side here. We'll grab these flaps, fold them up and in towards each other. Then we'll fold this flap up here and down towards the bottom of the box and listen for an audible clicking sound. Great. That means it's locked. That means it's in place and ready to go. We'll go ahead and flip the box around, do the same thing on the other side, fold it down, listen for that lock. Perfect. So go ahead and fold this back here. And now the box is ready to accept the insert. So for now, we'll just go ahead and put it to the side. We'll grab our insert pieces. And before we even start folding or anything like that, we'll go ahead and separate out all the components here just so we know what we're working with. So you can see on this 8-pack, we have 2 of these base pieces and 5 dividers. These 5 dividers are all identical, so it doesn't matter which one you start with, or you don't have to keep track of them in any way other than you need 5 of them. So we'll go ahead and put those off to the side. We'll start with the base pieces. Again, these 2 are identical as well, so you can start with either one here. But same as the box, we'll go ahead and find each crease and give each one of those a pre-fold as well. Same principle here. It's really going to help us visualize how everything's going to want to go together. We'll go ahead and grab the dividers and do the same thing. You'll notice that there's just a crease down the center, so just go ahead and fold down the center. You can put that off to the side. And just do the same thing with the remainders. Okay, so to start assembling the insert, we'll grab both base pieces. And you'll notice here, one side has an opening where the slot is, and on the other side, it's contained within the box. It doesn't actually go off the edge here, and you'll see we have the exposed edges on this side, not on this side. So we're going to want to take both inserts, orient them so the open slots are facing towards each other. Once you do that, you'll go ahead and fold these up 90 degrees and butt them end to end. When you do that, make sure to line up the slots. And at this point, you can hold it with one hand. Grab a divider. And again, because they're all identical, you just have to grab one. It doesn't matter which one. We'll fold it in half. Hold it with one hand. And you'll notice there's 3 slots. You're going to want to use the center slot at this step to line it up with one of the slots on the insert. Now at this point, you don't press all the way down, just press part of the way. And you'll notice that the insert will want to stay together. From there, we'll go ahead and start on one side, folding a flap down and up 90 degrees and aligning the slots. And again, we'll repeat by doing it the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and press the divider all the way down towards the bottom. You'll know it's gone all the way down when the top is flush and there's no part of the insert protruding up higher than the other. And then from here, we'll just go ahead and repeat the process with the remaining dividers. Line up the slots. Sometimes you have to give a little bit of a wiggle for them to locate properly, and once they do, you can go ahead and press all the way down. And then repeat with the remaining dividers. Great, so now we've got the assembled 8-pack insert. You'll notice it's super sturdy and is all holding together as one piece. At this point, we can grab the box, bring it over, and just go ahead and toss your insert into the box. You'll notice that on this style, we have a little bit of room on each side of the insert, which is just enough for these flaps to fold in and slide past the insert. So don't worry if the insert wiggles around a little bit. That's by design and allows the flaps to go on each side so the box closes properly. Now we can go ahead and grab our vessels. Again, we've got the ball mini mason jar, and you can just start by placing them each into their cavity. All right, and there we have it. We can get a good look of what it looks like during an unboxing. We've got plenty of space on top to include any sort of marketing materials you have, so business cards, flyers, really anything else you want to include. This is the place we recommend to do it. Also, underneath the lid of the box, we've got plenty of space to either use a custom label, which we always recommend Avery labels as a source, so check them out. They've got all kinds of shapes, colors, sizes. They even offer the Avery WePrint program where you can go ahead and upload your logo, print them directly from Avery so they come in ready to go. You can also use custom stamps, which are a great alternative to custom printing, as you can get that kind of custom printing look without the custom printing cost. So check out those options. And from here, we'll go ahead and close up the box. And the last tip we like to include is to always make sure to tape the box closed with a little bit of either craft reinforced tape, which is what we like to use here at Flush, or any sort of packing tape that you may already use. And then now we can get a good look on the outside. So again, plenty of space on the ends, on the back. You can put stickers, custom stamps. Again, really explore, make it your own. On the top, we've got plenty of space for shipping labels. As with all of our shipping boxes, they're sized to fit a 4x6 shipping label without any overlap. So that's something that just comes standard on all of our shipping boxes. All right, and there you have it. That's the 8-pack open style shipping box. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. Otherwise, thanks for watching.